Okay, so wasabi gelato. Now this is interesting because we decided on getting tuna.
Yeah.
Wasabi and tuna works well, but we're now going to add wasabi to gelato. So how do we...
Are you afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Good for
Are
you.
we going to do it nice and strong?
Absolutely.
Okay, so first thing,
First things, this is the
the family recipe.
exactly is it 5 generations?
33 years of this. It's
Don't say
mine.
too much. No,
La ricetta mia, la ricetta
you
mia.
run away now.
Okay. So 250 grams of milk. So what's really interesting is that we have spinach, and this is going to add some green color. So you don't have to put too much wasabi and blow someone's head off.
Exactly.
And how much wasabi are we putting in?
Like 10 grams, 11 grams, no more. Ottimo.
I put in 13. Is that okay?
It's no problem for me. I don't know for you.
I like wasabi.
Oh, good, good.
So just a little salt. Now we're just going to puree this. Ooh, wow, you can really smell the wasabi. It's really intense.
Now we got to put 650 grams of milk again.
Okay, this is milk. Okay.
Exactly.
And
Yes.
now 150 of
Yes.
cream.
Yeah, I do the
This is heavy cream.
heavy like me. And now we go to mix the two kind of sugar to make the best gelato. 180 grams of plain sugar, and then after you need to put 120 grams of dextrose.
Making gelato, everything is measured, so you don't eyeball it. So I wouldn't be a very good gelato guy. Okay, so now mix everything together.
Yeah?
Okay, so how do we know it's good?
One finger on the side.
So, like all cooking, you have to taste. It's actually nice. It has that little wasabi hit at the very end. Doesn't blow our heads off. Okay, so now this goes into the machine.
Yeah. There you go. It's perfect.
And how long will it take now to make it?
10 minutes.
Basta.
That's it. Wasabi gelato.
Look at that. It's not too green and it looks like wasabi. Posso?
Vai.
It's nice. There's a nice balance of the sugars and the wasabi. Non ti piace?
Fortissimo.
Davvero? Too strong? I don't think it's strong at all.
Well,
No.
because
You don't like wasabi then?
Well-
Because if someone says this is strong, they don't like wasabi. I mean, this is to me perfect.